You love vanilla and strawberry cake, but you don't know how to bake them. Don't worry, I got you. Hello everyone, welcome back to my page. If this is your first time seeing my video, please like, comment, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of my posts. Thank you for stopping by. So let's get started. I'm so sorry I did not record the part where I measured the butter and sugar. While that is mixing, you go ahead to measure your flour and add your baking powder and see if it's. Next, break your egg in a separate bowl. Always do this to avoid adding bad egg to your eggs. So this is what we have. So once your butter and sugar is properly mixed, you reduce your mixer speed just like I just did here. You reduce the mixer speed and then you start adding your flour and eggs bit by bit. So here, if you notice the speed of the mixer has reduced, that's because I'm about to start adding my flour. So first of all, start with the flour. You're adding your flour, a little of it, and then you allow it to mix properly before you add your egg. Exactly, so I just added the flour, allow it to mix, and then I added the egg. So you alternate them as you go. Always make sure it mixes properly before adding the next. That is, if you added your egg, make sure it mixes properly before you add your flour. So you alternate them as you go. At this point, you should already have your water boiling. So when you're done mixing, you add your hot water. Because this batter is for strawberry and vanilla, after mixing, you're going to divide it. Basically, your strawberry and your vanilla cake is the same mixing, it's just your flavor. So after adding your vanilla flavor to the other batter, mix it in properly and set it aside. And then in the other bowl, you add your strawberry flavor and a bit of your food color and mix it properly. Exactly, just as you can see, right? So after adding your food color and your strawberry flavor, you mix it in properly. Now if you're not okay with the color, you're still feel free to add more color. And then I was okay at this point. You pour your butter into your baking pan and bake. So that is it. This is your delicious vanilla and strawberry cake. It's ready. So tell me, which flavor will you try first? Let me know in the comment section. I'll leave you to enjoy the remaining decorating process. Hey.